Are you ready for a camera that could completely change the photography and video world forever? Welcome back. Today, we are jumping straight into a very wild rumor mill. The Sony A7R V has been the absolute king of detail for a long time. However, the rumors about its replacement are getting crazy. The new Sony A7R6 is starting to sound like a massive shift in the whole industry. It is not just a small update. It is a total game changer. There are strong reports about a brand new sensor. We are talking about a massive upgrade that changes the entire architecture of the R line. Sony might use a stacked monster sensor with 67 megapixels. Or, they might even jump to an insane 102 megapixels. Either way, the video features will make a movie theater camera blush. We always saw the A7R series as a specialized tool. It is fantastic for studio work and huge landscapes. But it was always a step behind in speed and video. Now, Sony wants to make this a true hybrid flagship. Let us start with the main heart of the machine. I am talking about the sensor. The latest rumors say Sony is testing two different paths. The first path is a 67 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. A simple 6 megapixel bump does not sound like a huge revolution. But the stacked part is the real story here. When you stack the memory directly onto the sensor, amazing things happen. The readout speeds go through the roof. We are hearing reports of a 60 frames per second full sensor readout. That means the rolling shutter could practically vanish. This new speed would let the A7R6 shoot 14-bit RAW photos at 30 frames per second. This puts it right next to the super-fast Sony A7R Mark II. Then we have the wild card rumor. The second path is a 102 megapixel sensor. This is mind-blowing. This would turn the A7R6 into a medium format killer. And it would stay in a full-frame body size. 102 megapixels sounds incredible for landscape photographers who want to print massive billboard-sized images. However, it raises some serious questions. We have to worry about diffraction and lens resolving power. Even the absolute best G Master glass would be pushed to its limit. Will Sony go with the 67 megapixel speed route? Or will they choose the 102 megapixel detail route? One thing is clear. The era of the slow readout high-resolution sensor is officially over. Things get really interesting in the video department. In the past, the R line was only for photos. The S line was only for video. But the A7R6 might break those walls down. If they use the 67 megapixel stack sensor, get ready for 10K video. Yes, 10K 30p video recording. 10K gives you insane room to crop your video. You can reframe your shots perfectly. You can stabilize the footage in post-production. And you still get a razor-sharp 8K or 4K master file. We also expect 8K 60p and 4K 120p video without heavy crops. To handle this data, Sony needs new tech. They are bringing in dual conversion gain HDR technology. This cleans up noise in dark shadows and pulls clean detail out of bright highlights. We also expect the new Bion's XR2 processor and 9.0 stops of in-body image stabilization. We are even hearing about Skeletal Prediction 2.0 AI autofocus. This system predicts movement before it happens. The camera is getting incredibly smart. We need to take a quick reality check on the timeline. Mass production for this new sensor is planned for the fourth quarter of 2026. The official announcement will likely happen in late 2026. The camera will probably hit shelves in early 2027. There is also a big problem to solve. Cramming a huge stacked sensor into a small body and recording 10K video creates a massive thermal nightmare. We are curious to see if Sony can cool it down without adding a loud internal fan. Doing this in a classic A7R body size will be an engineering miracle. So, is the A7R6 finally the ultimate camera we have been waiting for? Let me give you my best opinion about this amazing product. I truly believe this camera is going to be absolutely revolutionary for the creative world. If the rumors of a stacked 67 megapixel sensor are true, it is the perfect tool. In my opinion, The 67 megapixel stack version is the much smarter move for Sony compared to the 102 megapixel option. It perfectly balances crazy speed with amazing detail without ruining your lens quality. For average hobbyists, it might be too expensive. But for professional commercial shooters, landscape gurus, and high-end hybrid creators, this is the holy grail. This looks like the brand new benchmark for the entire camera industry. What do you guys think about all this? Is 102 megapixels total overkill for your daily workflow? Or are you already selling your old gear to buy this upgrade? Drop a comment down below right now. Let us talk about it in the comments section. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon like that.